Hello Aero folks, I'm here in the United States and now I'm going to fly this helicopter. This is an icon in the helicopter aviation. I want to take you with me. So this is one more English video in the Aero Behind the Aviation, a Brazilian aviation media that's over 10 years old. And now we're bringing all of our content to English so you can understand it as well. And we're having this great experience flying this helicopter here in the United States. And I want to take you with me. Let's go. The helicopter used in the movies, Rambo, Forrest Gump, all the movies that we can see the Vietnam War, we have this helicopter. This is the Bell UH-1, also known as Huey here in the United States. So let's take a flight on this helicopter. Okay, so here we have this helicopter on this small helipad. The way he jumps on this helipad is just landing on it. So he comes, we're gonna do that later. So we're gonna take off from that small helipad. And why he does it? Because it's easier for him to bring the helicopter in the hangar. So that's why. And now he's taking all the things around, so just releasing the helicopter so we can take off and get our flight done, go airborne. Let's go. Here I'm with Richard. You're a helicopter pilot. This is your helicopter. Great. And you're gonna show us how to start the Huey, right?
Are you a pilot?
Yeah.
Okay, that makes it worse. So if something goes wrong, no matter what it is,
thank you.
You cannot do a better job than me.
Oh,
so
yeah.
do not touch anything, all right?
Okay.
So first thing, master on.
Mm-hmm.
We check the voltage, we're good. Gauges are all green. We turn on the master fuel and we turn on the start fuel. Throttle to 100, back to idle, and then just below idle in case there's an emergency shut off.
Okay.
So we're gonna press the trigger, we're gonna ignite, and the two things we're gonna look at today is exhaust temperature and voltage. We don't want the voltage to go below 15, and we don't want the exhaust temperature to go over the green.
This is single engine, right?
Single engine,
okay.
1400 horsepower.
1400 horsepower, okay.
Everybody's ready?
Yeah, okay. Yep, ready to go. And you always fly with no doors, right? In Florida, yeah. Okay.
The work that we're going to do near the ground is kind of extreme. If you guys don't like it, you need to tell me, all right?
Okay. Well, this guy behind me, he looks 50, but he's also a pilot, so don't worry about him. Just in case if anything goes wrong, we just take him off the helicopter.
So now we're over public lands. We don't really have any requirements for altitude. We're well far away from people or anything that's man-made. So we're still all green. We're going to go up to 500 feet. The reason I use 500 feet for teaching is because in about 200 feet I can recover any mistake you can possibly make.
Okay.
So there's plenty of room for... have you flown a helicopter before?
Yes, I have.
Okay. You have control?
I have control.
You have control.
90 degrees. Okay, here we go. $182 from right. There we go.
All right. Okay, go ahead, do whatever you want. Climb, descend, left, right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're going to climb up to 500.
500. There you go. So yeah, now we're gonna fly close to the other airplane, so it's better for someone with much more experience than me. So Richard was saying that whenever an airplane's flying formation with a helicopter, the airplane has to fly above the helicopter, right? Not below, never below.
Correct, because of the rotor wash.
Okay, yeah. Especially light aircraft like that one, it can turn the airplane. And how come you end up with this helicopter? I mean, like, you're a helicopter pilot, you're a professional pilot. What's the story?
I'm not a professional pilot. I'm a hobbyist, and I like to buy exotic helicopters and airplanes. And I generally I fix them up and then I put them back on the market.
Oh, I see. Cool. So you're selling this helicopter now?
Starting next week, it's going to be on the market. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I rarely keep a helicopter for more than a year.
So yeah, the nicest thing about being in a aeronautic environment like that, at that place where you have the house, you have the helicopter that Marisa lives, is that everybody is a pilot, and most of the people there have airplanes, so they're very friendly. They're always getting together. We have that in Brazil as well, and it's amazing. It's the best way to spend the weekend, spend your life. Like Marisa, do you live there as well?
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, that's amazing. Well, I was not expecting to pilot this helicopter. Thank you, Richard, for this experience. And I wasn't expecting to have an airplane right next to us filming us from the outside. And the guy just offered himself and said, "Okay, do you want me to go take some outside footage of the helicopter?" And I said, "Well, of course, right not? Why not?" Gisela is flying the helicopter and taking the outside images, and yeah, it's just perfect. Well, the only thing that we do not have here, but I don't miss, are the bombs.
I agree. Nobody's shooting at us.
It's like you're gonna hit the trees.
Yeah, you got to get good at it because the blades are so long. You actually have to think about that extra 25 feet.
Yeah.
Because what I can tell you is Brazilians love helicopters.
Yes, we do. That's why we have the biggest helicopter fleet in Sao Paulo. It's the biggest in the world. So this helicopter is IFR as well, because I can see some instruments here.
It is IFR to pilot. Now this particular one is not. It's experimental, and I never bothered making it IFR. I'm a fair weather pilot.
Okay.
But the Huey, as a rule, is an IFR.
Okay. And they also have some civil versions of this helicopter, because this one was a military from Germany, right?
Right.
You said Germany, not Air Force, Border Patrol. Border Patrol. And they also have some civilian versions.
The civilian versions are called either a Bell 204 or a 205.
204 or 205. And this military version is called
A UH-1.
UH-1. I'm not used to fly this low.
Yeah.
What do you think about landing here, Mauricio?
Yeah.
Better not.
There are a lot of alligators here.
Thank you so much, Fisher. That was a very great experience. Thank you.
My pleasure.
It's a dream come true flying this helicopter, especially piloting this helicopter.
You did a great job flying, actually.
Thank you
Very,
so
very
much.
steady.
I jumped here to the back of this helicopter just to feel a little bit like Rambo. And wow, just amazing. So this is the best way to finish. Wow. Okay, like now I'm Rambo. I'll wrap up this video now because I think there's nothing else I can show you in this amazing experience. You have it all. So please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also like the video and leave us a comment.